I invite you to spend a few moments with me now. And so if you're comfortable, you can close your eyes. And if that's not comfortable, just find a place on the seat in front of you and you can soften your gaze and allow yourself to settle into this moment together. And so just take a breath. Let that go. And settle into a place where you can allow yourself to be breathed. Allowing your breath to flow in its natural state. Let's bring into our consciousness in this time together that we are each peace. We are each love. We are each presence. We're not reaching for something. We're becoming. Now just turn that attention inward to the quiet beneath your thoughts, to that awareness that notices, that listens, that knows. Just allow yourself to hang out here for a little while. If any thoughts or ideas are coming along, just allow them. Just allow them to flow. And as we prepare to come back to this room, this space, this time, I invite you to quietly say to yourself, I am peace. I am love. I am presence. You can bring your awareness back to your body, back to this room. Nice deep breath in. Let that go.